Welcome fellow spellslinger, my name is Model 42 and today, in the Spell Spotlight series, we are looking at probably the best cantrip in the game. Well, certainly the one most people agree on, when the core rulebook is considered only. Let us check what makes this spell so powerful and why you probably should take it, if able. Let's prepare it. Electric Arc is a cantrip that can be found in the Arcane and Primal spell list and is of the Evocation school. It also has the trait Electricity, because of its damage type. To cast this spell, you need two actions, one has to be verbal, and the other of somatic components. You then target one or two creatures in a range of 30 feet each, and they make a basic reflex save. To see how much damage they receive, the electricity damage it deals is 1d4 plus your spellcasting modifier, which on an optimized spellcaster at level 1 will be plus 4. Since it is a cantrip, it heightens automatically to half your level, rounded up, and will do 1d4 more damage of its type as soon as you reach character level 3, 5, 7 and so on, for a maximum amount of 10d4 plus your spellcasting modifier on character level 19. But what makes this spell so powerful? Well, it is not the damage, since other cantrips can do more, but only on one target, not two, which, especially at level 1, is really good. It also does not specify where the targets have to be, they only need to be in range. Other spells usually specify that the targets not only have to be in range, but also in a certain range to each other, which is not the case here. Also, the spell uses a basic reflex save, which, on a critical fail of the target, will deal double the damage for a potential of 16 damage on level 1, to up to 2 targets each, if they both fail critically. Should they be weak against electricity, this can outright kill weaker enemies, up to 2, to be exact. This for a spell you can cast as often as you like per day, since it does not use spell slots, is very strong. Admittedly, a lot of creatures on lower level have decent reflex saving throws, but a success is still half damage, and the possibility that you hit 2 targets most of the time also means double the chance for a critical fail for them by rolling a 1 or, once your modifiers rise, even other numbers. The slower your enemy, the more often you will crit with this spell. If your party is good in making your opponents clumsy, or weaken their saving throws by 1 point, Electric Arc will be even more potent. In theory that is, but that is always the case. There is nothing more to say about this, since you should easily see how much potential this spell has, especially compared to other damage-dealing cantrips. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful in deciding that Electric Arc is the spell for you, then please leave a like. You can do this also because you, well, liked this video and want to help out, but also do not forget to subscribe to be notified about new content. I try to release at least 2 videos every week. Please tell me in the comment how you would describe Electric Arc in action, and give us all an idea of how stylish we can be with this spell.